Hi, today we will present about reconstructing abandoned bungalow. Let's go to the first part.
Hi, my name is Farhana binti Abdul Manan. Today I'm going to present about building maintenance. First of all, it starts with building maintenance. What is building maintenance? Sealy 1976 stated that work undertaken in order to keep, restore, or improve every part of building, its services and surrounds to a currently accepted standards and to sustain the utility and value of the building. Alright, next we move to the objective of this abandoned bungalow maintenance. Alright, the first one is to maintain the value, safety, and functionality of the structure, which can reducing the interruptions. The second one is to protect and enhance the value of the building over time. It can be done by prevent deterioration and extending its useful life. And the last one is to operate more efficiently, reducing energy consumption, minimizing downtime, and lowering operational costs. All the objectives are related to the maintenance, especially for the abandoned bungalow. As you can see right now, here are the condition and current state of bungalow. The first one is mold. Mold on the ceiling can caused by the water leaks from the roof, plumbing, or condensation. The moisture provides the perfect environment for molds to spores or even germinate and grow. And the second one is crack. It can caused by the shrinkage of materials during the construction or even earth's movement. And the third one is dripping water. The leaks in the roof, plumbing such as pipes, faucets, toilets, or even HVAC system can lead to the dripping water. The fourth one is deterioration of aircon compressor. It is caused due to the age and neglect and exposure to the extreme temperature. And the next one is rodents. Rodents is a home located near fields, wooded areas, or other buildings with rodent infestations are at a higher risk. It involves with the rats usually. And the next one is outdated wiring. Due to the age of the house that has not undergone significant electrical upgrades indicate. And next is asbestos insulation, which caused by lack of awareness of health risks. And the next one is vandalism of the theft. Empty or unoccupied bungalows are prime targets for the theft to do the vandalism. And the next one is unattended landscape, which caused by the owners are elderly and disabled to manage the landscape. And the last one is the rotted timbers. It caused by direct exposure to rain. Wood in direct contact with the ground absorbs moisture from the soil, which can accelerating the decay. Okay, that's all from me.
So good day to Dr. Fuad. I'm Chong Ming, and now I will continue with the structural cost estimations for reconstructing an abandoned bungalow. So the cost estimation have been categorized into four categories, which is replacing furnishing, which include calculating the expenses required to replace or add movable items that contribute to a property's interior designs and usability. Next is the replacing fixtures. Research about the cost of replacing permanently installed components in the property, and the cost is influenced by the material, the brand, and the complexity of installations. Moreover is the painting. The painting involves calculating the expenses for repainting the interior and exterior surfaces of a building. And lastly, the cost for installations. So the cost of installation is the estimations of the cost of installing an essential systems and appliances such as electrical wiring, plumbing, HVAC systems, and lighting or air conditioner units. So now let's move on to the cost for replacing the furnishings. So the slide tabulate the cost required for replacing furnishings. So for the bungalow renovations, The furnishings costs are broken down as follows, which is the bedrooms including built-in wardrobes, blackout curtains and queen-size beds are estimated to cost between 33,200 ringgit and 48,000 ringgit, and the living rooms with sofa seats, TV consoles and coffee tables at 6,000 ringgit to 12,500 ringgit. So additionally, a 6-seater dining tables for the dining area cost between 4,000 to 7,000 ringgit. So altogether, the total furnishing cost is estimated at 50,000 ringgit to 70,000 ringgit Malaysia's. So for the features, the bedrooms including new toilets, rain showers, sinks and waterproofing with tiling will cost around 27,450 ringgit to 39,000 ringgit Malaysia's for all 3 bedrooms. So the kitchen cabinets are estimated to cost between 5,000 to 10,000, while the LED lighting throughout the house at approximately 3,000, and these bring the total fixtures cost to around 50,000 to 70,000 ringgit Malaysia's. For the painting, repairing walls that defects estimate will cost about 5,000 to 7,000, and the 2 coat paintings for interior walls for about 4,500 square feet will cost about 18,000 to 27,000. So weatherproofing painting for exterior walls estimate about 15,000 to 20,000. So moreover, a touch up for smooth finishings for all of the paintings will cost estimately about 1,250 ringgit Malaysia's. So the total up cost for walls paintings will cost around 40,000 to 55,000. Lastly, the installation fees include installations for PowerPoint, ceiling fans, air conditioners and labor fees for wiring and plumbings. So the total installations brings up cost of 20,000 to 25,000 ringgit Malaysia's.
Very good day to everyone. I am Muhammad Aman bin Anwar, metric number B0921101164. So today I will present about the electrical wiring and also plumbing works. So these tables summarize the electrical wiring cost for a residential project on the abandoned bungalow. The main components that we have created is the include a new wiring installation for bedrooms, bathrooms and the living room at 7,000 ringgit, a circuit breaker upgrade with surge protections at 1,000, and modern durable outlet and switches costing 1,200. Additionally, there are 300 for outdoor wiring, of course, on the outside of the house, and 600 allocated for system testing and ensure for the safety on the wiring that installed on the bungalow. So the total estimate cost for all component and wiring assemble installation is around 10,100 ringgit for this electrical works. Next, we will go to the plumbing works. So the table outlines the totaling around 10,000 ringgits. The key item for the first include upgrade water pipes for better flow in the kitchen, around 1,000. Energy efficient water heater and filter installation at 2,000 ringgit, and replacing all or corroded pipes in the kitchen, in the bathrooms for 300 ringgit for each area. In the bedrooms, new fixtures such as sinks and shower system cost around 1,500 ringgit, with drain pipe repair costing 900 ringgit. And lastly, of course, outdoor work include replacing all water tanks at 1,000 ringgit. So, I can conclude that electrical and plumbing is one of the important things that we must repair when we need refurbish a bungalow. So that's all from me for electrical and plumbing works cost estimations. Thank you.
My name is Abdul Fattah Ifuad Beisa. I would like to present about the overall costing and conclusion. Overall estimate cost. They have category total cost, contingency, 10 to 15%, and total with contingency. For category, furnishing, feature, wall and painting, installation, wiring and plumbing, and tile and roof. Total estimate cost is 200,200 until 295,550. Example overall costing. On the first picture is like living room, bedroom, kitchen and so on. The cost is 50,000 ringgit until 70,000 ringgit. The second picture is both. The cost is 50,000 ringgit until 70,000 ringgit. The third picture is paint. The cost is 40,000 ringgit until 55,000 ringgit. The last picture is piping and wiring. The cost is 20,000 ringgit until 25,000 ringgit. Total costing is 200,000 and 200 until 295,550. Summary to overall costing. First, key cost factor: material use, brand choosing, complexity of work. Second, cost efficiency consideration. Minor upgrade are cost effective if the structure is sound. Rebuilding might be cheaper if major structure change are needed. The last one is not on estimate. Based on current market value, actual cost may vary due to labor, material and project specific. Conclusion: the importance of reconstructing visited bungalow to restore their value, safety and functionality. Key consideration include addressing structure repair, updating electrical and plumbing system, and enhancing aesthetic through furnishing and painting. The project underscore the cost effectiveness of refurbishment over new construction when the existing structure is recoverable, with an estimated total cost of 200,200 until 295,550 include contingency.